5 essential steps to maintain your pool's finish. Number 1, achieve optimal water balance with LSI. Check out our water balance cheat sheet, other videos, and additional resources to learn more about the importance of balancing your water to the LSI. And there's no need for complex calculations. The Orinda LSI calculator can more easily help you find the right balance and avoid damage to the gel coat of your fiberglass pool. Number 2, maintain recommended chlorine levels. Free chlorine levels should always be kept between 1 and 3 parts per million. Exceeding 5 parts per million can cause irreversible damage to a fiberglass pool's surface. Number 3, avoid calcium hypochlorite. Calcium hypochlorite is a popular pool shock treatment, but in fiberglass pools, it can cause a dramatic rise in pH. The percentage of free chlorine in calcium hypochlorite is so high that it could cause permanent damage to the pool surface. Liquid chlorine is a recommended alternative, although prolonged exposure to extreme chlorine can lead to fading. Number 4, don't assume your pool professionals know it all. Best practices for maintaining fiberglass pools have evolved along with product innovations. Learn as much as you can to ensure your pool professionals are properly maintaining your pool. Ask the professionals in charge of your pool maintenance if they use the LSI to ensure proper water balance. Number 5, remember, clear water isn't a guarantee that it's properly balanced. Sparkling clear water may look great, but it could still be causing staining, chalking, or etching damage that you may not notice until it's too late. Diligent testing and ongoing adjustments to optimize your LSI is the only way to be sure your water is balanced and safe for the pool shell and swimmers alike.